Oh, nice.
Thank you.
That was odd. I pressed my coverage, but I wasn't playing underneath. Oh, you idiot. Man, I knew it right away, too. You use that every time, and I knew it. That was a dumb play.
Shit. Yeah, good play.
Thanks.
Okay, that little guy shut him off. Okay.
He's a wide receiver.
Yeah. Okay.
No. Damn. Oh, I fucking ran right by that dude. Ugh. Oh, you dumbass.
Oh, don't do that. No, fuck no. Ooh.
God damn it.
Oof.
No way. Nice kick.
Thanks. No, I'm there.
Yeah.
A
Oh
good
well.
game, man.
Like I said, I didn't think I was. I didn't think I really had stuff to win it this year with this squad.
Yeah.
My running back was injured every game. And that was another thing. I had to get away from the run game in the second half.
Yeah, and that definitely changes it. Like anytime where I have to get away from the run game and I'm forced to throw, it makes it so limited because it's not hard to pick up on.